Hello, it's Dean from Derette. Today is Monday. Today we see 3 V1000 loader, the different colors. This is a light green color and a matte black, and this is a blue color, and this is many spare parts. And this is matte black color. This logo and the Derette logo. And this is very handsome. And many spare attachments. And for this, the printer, wood chipper, the brake. 这个给它放那个什么了吗？那个前杆了吗？还有吗？前杆。看看，这是122的吧？It's a blue color, and many parts. 放了122啊，122啊。看了。And we're giving my customer spare parts. The new tensions. And many warehouse. 这个油放到122上了，是吧？好嘞，这6油都放进了。Very handsome. And the matte black color. Very nice. And this. Okay. And our workshop also very busy, so you will look everywhere is the V1000, the yellow color. Yes, very nice. The big size, the air filter. Yes. This is the new tension. And in front, yes. This is a big job. Yes, very nice. And the 3 loader, same color. 看看，这个下了几台了哥？3台了。
就看中这一台。
那2个都下完了。OK。Yes, this is orange color. This spare part will be painted to another factory. Our color will be painted. So the process is very complex. So I think we must be patient for the order. Yes. Yes. Alright. Maybe the screen. Nó không có rõ. And this many will be painted. Powered painted. And the big arm. And the wedding line. The worker is to weld the track, the tension. Yeah. This is a tension. This new tension is very mainly is very complex. So this is many. Make the drill. Alright. See the small loader. T800. These two black color, the frame. I finished to the paint. Yeah, the color is very handsome. All of us. So we're busy. The color. We're tall. Packing. We're careful. Wow, the wood chipper. Thank you for the video. This is yeah, blue. The same for the loader. Very nice. Thank you. Bye bye.